Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your phone supports video output or can run a display app. This matters because HDMI or USB-C alternate mode gives the best latency. Plug in power so the phone won't sleep. Once done, connect the adapter or cable to your source device. Install and open the chosen app on both devices and allow any permissions. Make sure Wi-Fi is on if using network apps. You're now ready to pair the phone to the computer. Move to Configuring Display Settings next. You now establish the active display. Choose wired HDMI/USB-C when possible because it bypasses network jitter and lowers latency. Once connected, open your computer's display settings and extend or mirror to the new screen. Set resolution to match the phone or use 1920x1080 for good balance. Adjust scaling so text is readable. If the app offers frame rate or bandwidth controls, lower them to reduce stutter. Make sure touch input is enabled only if you want interaction. You finish by mounting the phone and tidying cables so the display remains stable. Continuous power prevents interruptions during long sessions. If you see flicker or lag, make sure you're on a wired connection, lower resolution or frame rate, and restart the display app on both devices. This often clears handshakes. If you get no signal, inspect the adapter and cable, grant permissions, and enable USB debugging or developer options if the app requests it. One key tip: swapping the cable usually resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.